Zoom back to New Jersey. From the Catalog pane, click and drag the U.S. Data Quake/HIS feature class to the map. A few quakes do appear in the state. Search for and open the Select Layer by Attribute tool. Set the layer name to Quake/HIS. Click Add Clause to enter the expression state is equal to NJ. Run the tool. The selected features are highlighted on the map. In Contents, right-click the Quake/HIS layer and choose Data, Export Features. Set the input features to Quake/HIS and name the output NJ Quakes. Run the tool. Remove the Quake/HIS layer from the map. Save the project. Open the Catalog view and update the metadata for each new dataset. While still in Catalog view, examine the metadata for NJ-bound gen. In the Contents pane, showing the Catalog view, click the All Portal entry. Type Detailed States in the search box. Find the entry USA States, a layer package hosted by ESRI. Read the metadata and write down a citation for it. Right-click the listing for USA States and choose Add to NJ Data. Switch back to the NJ Data map. In Contents, expand the USA States group layer, which includes layers from several source scales. Click Map Selection, Select by Attributes. Set the layer name to USA States below 1 to 3M and enter an expression to select New Jersey. Export the USA States below 1 to 3M. And save it with the name NJ-bound DTL. In Catalog view, in Contents, view the New Jersey Geodatabase contents. Update the item description for NJ-bound DTL. And enter this citation in the credits box. In the Catalog view, right-click the NJ-bound Gen feature class and choose Delete. Click Yes. Switch back to the NJ data map and remove the USA States layer. In the Catalog view, right-click the NJ-bound Gen feature class and choose Delete. Click Yes. Switch back to the NJ data map and remove the USA States layer. Switch back to the Catalog view and click the Folders entry in Contents. Right-click the New Jersey folder connection and choose New Folder. A new folder appears in the Catalog view, ready to be named. Type the name Downloads and click Enter. Open a web browser and enter the search term New Jersey shapefile. Examine the results. Look for URLs that appear to be state-sponsored rather than commercial. For example, the Bureau of GIS State of NJ heading. Examine the site, which appears to be an excellent source of data for New Jersey. In the NJDEP GIS site in the web browser, find the golf courses data. And click to download. Save the zip file in the GIS Class Projects, New Jersey Downloads folder. Minimize. Do not close the web browser for a moment. Open File Explorer and navigate to the New Jersey Downloads folder. Use a zip utility to extract the files to the New Jersey Downloads folder. Close File Explorer. In Pro, open the NJ data map. Add the NJ Golf shapefile to the map from the Catalog pane. In Contents, right-click the NJ Golf layer and export the features to the New Jersey Home Geodatabase. Name the output NJ Golf. Review the dataset description on the website. Click the Metadata button for the golf courses dataset on the website. A view opens of the formal metadata in a format known as FGDC. Prepare a formal citation for this dataset. In Catalog view, click on the NJ Golf feature class in the New Jersey Geodatabase. A message about FGDC metadata appears. Choose Home Metadata Upgrade FGDC CSDGM content. Edit the metadata and add the citation to the credits section. Switch back to the NJ data map. In Contents, switch to the List by Data Sources panel. Remove any of the original sources that remain and ensure that all data in the map have their source in the New Jersey Home Geodatabase. Open the map properties for NJ data and examine the coordinate system's settings. Expand the Layers folder and verify that all layers except the base map are in New Jersey State Plane.